Clamp meter, also known as current clamp or clamp ammeter, is a key tool in electric tests or inspection. Clamp ammeters play a vital role in the measurement of current and circuit troubleshooting. This video is intended to interpret the importance of clamp ammeters in many ways. Current measurement is critical in electrical engineering, electronics, and many other fields. Traditionally, measuring current involves incorporating an ammeter into the circuit to be tested, thus disrupting the flow of the circuit. However, as technology has evolved, a more convenient and accurate method of current measurement has emerged, that is, the clamp meter. Clamp meters can measure current quickly and accurately without interrupting the circuit, which is a great convenience for many applications. As has been touched above, one of the main advantages of clamp meters is the ability to measure non-invasively. Conventional methods of current measurement usually require disconnecting the circuit and integrating the measuring instrument, which can lead to circuit interruptions and production disruptions. Clamp ammeters, however, measure current by clamping around wires without physical contact, and are therefore able to make measurements without disrupting the operation of the circuit. This non-intrusive measurement greatly improves productivity and reduces appliance downtime. The non-contact nature of clamp meters reduces the risk to operators, making clamp-on ammeters a safer option. In addition, some clamp-on ammeters have additional safety features such as automatic disconnect and overload protection, providing a high level of security for people involved in electrical systems. In the field of scientific research, especially in physics, engineering, and materials science, accurate current measurements are required. Clamp-on ammeters are commonly used in these fields to help researchers with experiments and data collection. Modern clamp meters can measure not only current but also voltage, resistance, capacity, temperature, and other electrical parameters. This versatility makes them an all-in-one tool for electrical technicians, reducing the need to carry multiple instruments. In addition, some models feature data logging and communication interfaces for easy data analysis and report generation. Clamp meters are widely used for training and education in the field of electronics and power engineering. Clamp meters help students and novice engineers understand the principles and practices of current measurement, building their skills and preparing them for future endeavors. Clamp ammeters typically provide highly accurate current measurements for a variety of current ranges. Advanced clamp ammeters are capable of measuring AC and DC currents while maintaining a high degree of measurement accuracy. This is critical for circuit design, motor performance evaluation, and electronic device testing. Clamp ammeters are invaluable when troubleshooting circuit problems. Clamp ammeters can help quickly identify current anomalies and locate faulty components to speed up the repair process, which is very helpful in electronic equipment repair, electrical system maintenance, and circuit troubleshooting. Energy management is an increasingly important topic, especially considering energy efficiency, sustainable development, and energy saving. Clamp meters can be used to monitor electric conditions and help organizations and businesses manage energy consumption, identify energy waste, and improve power efficiency. This is essential to reduce energy costs and minimize negative impact on the environment. Some clamp meters are designed for environmental monitoring applications, such as monitoring current loads in the grid, tracking energy consumption trends, and analyzing power quality. This information is critical for urban planning, energy policy development, and environmental protection. In summary, clamp meters are an indispensable tool in electronic testing, offering the advantages of non-invasiveness, safety, versatility, and high accuracy. Clamp meters play an important role in a variety of fields, helping to ensure the proper functioning of circuits, improve productivity, maintain electronic equipment, and support scientific research. If you're looking for reliable and versatile clamp meters, look no further than ATO.com, where we offer clamp meters of various ranges and functionality. Check out the links in the description below to find out more details. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in next videos.